So heat shrink, stuff them together, and twist them together. So I'll put the heat shrink back over the top. Third from the right. Just like that. All right, last one. And put the heat shrink on. I do love how quick this thing heats up. And this one goes right next to the ground on the bottom. There we go. So that's it.
The Death Star is fully operational. Oh, you're upside. Oh yeah, you're upside down.
There we go. There we go. Pretty amazing.
You know?
That thing's amazing. I can't believe this thing still works.
Yeah, bro, me too. I thought it was a done deal with this motherfucker.
It's actually not that bad.
There it comes. It does. We have to warm up.
Just gotta warm up a little and then.
Yeah, that's bad, bro. This is like the forerunner to all those